students, I'm going to explain how you need to check if you have missing assignments on Canvas for ELA. So first of all, you should have Power Student open or Power School open in one tab, and then go ahead and have Canvas open in the other tab. What you're going to do is once you're in Power School, you can see all your classes. You're going to go to ELA and click into that class. Once you click into that class, you will be able to see each individual assignment that I am grading. I do not grade every single assignment that is on Canvas. I pick and choose each week which assignments I'm going to grade. Sometimes it's Pear Deck, sometimes it's classwork, sometimes it's a test, and sometimes it's homework. So you got to look into Power School, and you got to see which ones have a dash, so just a line, or which ones have a 0. Those are the ones that are missing. Okay, if you were present that day and didn't turn it in, I gave you a 0. If you were absent that day and didn't turn it in, I just left it blank until you turn it in. But either way, it's hurting your grade. So for example, this student has not turned in their day 1 homework letter to Ms. Guerrero. They should take note of that. They haven't turned in 824 Pear Deck. They haven't turned in the 9-1 classwork. Okay, so they need to see these assignments, and then they're going to click over to Canvas. They're going to go ahead over to modules. I do not want you looking at this to-do list. It's not really helpful because it lists every single thing in here, whether I'm grading it on Power School or not. So ignore the to-do list and go over to grades or modules. I would click into grades. And then they can compare what they need to do in here. So for example, again, this student is missing day 1 homework letter to Ms. Guerrero. So they're going to go into grades, they're going to scroll, and they're going to see day 1 homework letter to Ms. Guerrero. See, there's a dash there, so they need to submit it. They can go in there. They can go back to modules and scroll down back to the bottom of the page where it says day 1 homework letter to Ms. Guerrero. Now they know they never submitted it because they got a 0. Okay, they have time now to open it up, to fill it out, and then to go back into Canvas and click submit. Okay, I can't do that because I'm in the teacher view, but you're going to have that blue submit button. Then when they go to grades, they'll know they submitted something if they can see a little document. So if there's a little picture of a document next to here instead of a line, then they know they're good. Then they'll know that it's been submitted. So again, you need to go into Power School and check which ones are missing there. Then scroll back exactly. So they're missing 915 classwork. Scroll back through modules, and they know they're going to need to complete that. Maybe all they need to do is just click submit, because maybe you filled it out and just never clicked submit. Hope this helps.